Yeah, guys, so the government, in collaboration with the NCA, has finally approved Elon Musk Starlink in Ghana. So, any business, individual, or corporate organization using normal table that are facing issues and all those stuffs, you can consider getting the Starlink in Ghana. I'm going to show you how you can order the Starlink and get it delivered within 2 weeks to your desktop in Ghana via mobile money. So, if you are interested, make sure you pay attention to the details I'm about to teach. So now before you begin, you need to get your digital address or your shipping address. So it's address that is basically where you live, your district and all those stuffs. So Starlink can be able to ship the hardware straight to your locality or your area through DHL. And it has been approved by the officials in Ghana. So you get it direct to your house, no third party, no any agent. So let's get to my laptop. Let me show you how you can order it in Ghana. So before that, the price of the hardware is around 5,339 cedis and it costs around 339 cedis or 350 for shipping. So you are paying 5,770 something. I'll leave the actual price on the screen so you can pause and check. And monthly subscription is 774 cedis for unlimited browsing. So if this sounds good to you, make sure you follow the tutorials I'm about to give and get yourself a Starlink in Ghana right now. So let's begin. Yeah, so before I begin, so make sure you go to the Starlink official website. The first link that if you search Starlink on Google, the first link that you see on your screen. So you click on that one. Yeah. So you see high speed internet around the world, and you can see if you are buying it for your personal means, you click on personal. And if you're a business owner, you can also opt in for business. So I'm a personal entity, so I'm using for the personal. You can also try the business and let's see how that one too goes. So you click on personal and you come here, you type and select your address normally. So you can type the area you are. Let's see, I'll use myself for experiment. Let's say you type in where you are, and you see. So you can see in Ghana here it's available here. So you can choose wherever you are or the exact location, or if you don't know your location, you can click set location on map and you click on it. It will show you where you are right now, and you can zoom in and check where you can get the Starlink in Ghana here. So let's see. Okay. Yeah, so let me select my location. Let me select Kuporudia. So order now. So after getting your right location, it means your shipping address has been set already by them. So use your current location, then you click on order now, and a new page will open for you to continue. So make sure you allow your location so you can track wherever you are browsing from and all that. So let's go. So after everything, so this where the other page comes. So they said you'll give you 1 hour for you to complete the order, else they will close the tab and you have to operate again. So no contract and 30 days trial. It ships within 1 to 2 weeks. So everything here will be regulated by the authorities in Ghana before it gets to you. So there's no worry about this. So this is the charge, 770 per month for the service and 5,390 cedis for the hardware to be shipped for you. So that's the dish and the receiver that you get in the box and everything. So you need to enter your contact information in the box provided. So let's get started. So you enter your details. Yeah, so you see I've entered my name, my email and everything. So you just enter your shipping address, then you update it. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, so after everything you see your billing address, the shipping address has been already. So when you go to the billing information, this is where it gets tricky. So you see card. That's if you have a bank card, you can opt for a bar. For convenience sake, we are going to use mobile money. So they are going to deduct the exact amount on your mobile money direct, so you don't have to pay to anybody. So you choose the mobile money option. Then you enter your Ghana card details. So it supports MTN, Airtel, Tigo, Vodafone or call Telecel. So if you are using these networks, it's a plus for you. So you pay a total of 5,744 cedis. You pay a total of 5,744 cedis for this. So make sure you have that in your mobile money account. After everything, you click on place order. So after placing the order, you get a pop-up message on your phone requesting you to approve from Starlink. Once you've approved that, an email will be sent to you for you to create account on the Starlink official website. After which you create the account, you'll be able to track and do everything and know all the updates about your hardware, where it has gotten to, where you are going to pick it up, if they are going to send it directly to you and everything. So this is how you go about it to order a Starlink to Ghana right from your mobile money, and you get it delivered very safely. So let me know down below if you have been able to order some or you're about to purchase some. Let's see how it goes and the installation process goes. Yeah, I'm trying my best to get some for myself. So let's pray I get money and other ones. And I'll update you with everything about the Starlink once I chance my hands upon somewhere, a friend of mine, or once people start buying, we give you update on how best is performing against our telcos in Ghana. So see you again.